Yes, students. Now we'll see the diode characteristics. Aim to draw the IV characteristics curve of PN junction diode in forward and reverse bias. We are concentrating only on forward bias. IV, that means current voltage characteristics. Apparatus for the same: DC power supply, milliammeter to measure the current, voltmeter to measure the voltage, silicon diode, rheostat and connecting wire. This is circuit diagram for forward characteristics. In this circuit, this is a battery, rheostat, voltmeter, ammeter and then PN junction diode. We'll see the actual devices. This is battery, digital power supply. This is a positive battery, this is negative battery. Red indicates positive, black here indicate negative. This is our rheostat. Rheostat has a 3 terminal. This 2 terminal we called as a fixed terminal. This is upper terminal we called as a variable terminal. The use of rheostat to adjust the strength of current and voltage. We'll see in our experiment. Then we have voltmeter and milliammeter, and this is our diode. This diode, this is PN junction diode. In theory part you did a PN junction diode is made with the help of P type of semiconductor and N type of semiconductor. This is negative of diode and this is a positive of diode. Here red indicates positive terminal, black indicate negative terminal. Now milliammeter. If you see milliammeter, it is 0 to 20, then 40, 60, 80 and 100. So 0 to 20 we have 10 divisions. So what is the smallest reading you can take on millimeter? That is we called as a least count. So 0 to 20, the smallest you can take this as a 2. If you see here, it is how to calculate 0 to 20 and in between these two we have 10 division. So 20 upon 10 will get 2 milliampere. That means first division is 2, then 4, then 6, 8 and so on. So here I can say first is 2, then 4, then 6, this is our 10th, this is 20, this is 40, so this is our 30 and so on. Now voltmeter to measure the voltage, you see here it is 0.5, this is 0.5, 1 volt, 1.5, 2 volt, 2.5, 3 volt. So 0 to 0.5, again we have 10 division, so you can say 0 to 0.5, 10 division, so 0.5 upon 10, that is 0.05. The smallest you can measure here 0.05, then 0.1, then 0.15, 0.2, 0.25, 0.3 and so on. This is 0.5, 0.55, 0.6. Okay, so we did list count of voltmeter, list count of milliammeter. This is my rheostat, battery and diode. Now we'll go for connection. While doing connection, we'll place the apparatus as shown in diagram. So if you see the apparatus here, this is my battery. So I kept my battery here, okay, connecting from here. Then my diagram says after battery rheostat. So after battery I placed rheostat. Then what we have, voltmeter is here, milliammeter is here. So I'll take, this is voltmeter, right, this is milliammeter. Then the required thing is diode, this is diode. So milliammeter, from here we have diode, so I'll keep this is diode. Positive terminal of diode is upper side, negative is below. So I'll keep this same way, positive upside, negative downside. Now we have to do the connection with the help of wire. See again students, the apparatus which we placed, this is my battery, my rheostat, voltmeter, milliammeter and diode. Now we will go for connection. While doing connection, just connect with the help of wires. This is forward characteristics. What is forward characteristics? Whenever we are connecting positive of batteries to P type of semiconductor and negative battery is connected to N type of semiconductor, we called as forward bias. If you see this diagram, positive battery we are connecting to P type of semiconductor, that is positive PN junction diode, and negative battery is connected to N type of semiconductor, that is negative of PN junction diode. So now students, if you see positive battery, we are connecting to a rheostat. This is fixed terminal of rheostat. This is also fixed terminal of rheostat. This is variable terminal of rheostat. So positive battery is connected to fixed terminal of rheostat and negative is also connected to fixed terminal of rheostat. So we have in rheostat, this is our fixed terminal of rheostat and this is also fixed terminal of rheostat. So one terminal of fixed will connect to positive battery and one will connect to negative of battery. So from positive, that is supply, we'll take this, we'll connect to fixed terminal of rheostat, we'll take another wire, then we'll take from negative terminal, you can take any color of wire, there is no problem. This is connected to fixed terminal of a rheostat. Fine. Now if you see my circuit, so positive battery is connected to fixed terminal, negative also connected to fixed terminal. Now here variable of rheostat is connected to, you can say, positive millimeter as well as positive voltmeter. So from here you can take two wire, one will connect to positive voltmeter and one will connect it to positive millimeter. So from rheostat, variable terminal of rheostat, will take two wires. You see, this is how you can take, and while connecting circuit, remember only metal part we have to place inside the screw. I repeat, only this metal part, this wire has to plate only inside the screw. पूरा wire ऐसे अंदर डालना नहीं है, because current is flowing here only. So we'll place and we'll fit. Right? So one is connected to positive voltmeter, one is connected to positive millimeter. So this is positive voltmeter as I explained already, and this I'll connect to positive millimeter. Okay students, now if you see here, it is now negative of millimeter is connected to P type of PN junction. So negative will connect it to P type. So negative of millimeter. So I am taking now from here negative of millimeter. From here it is connected to P type. This is P type. So negative is connected to this negative, I connected to P type of PN junction diode, and now negative of PN junction, you see where it is connected. Negative of PN junction is connected to negative voltmeter, और यहाँ से if you see आगे भी वायर आ रहा है, so it is connected to say negative voltmeter, and from here it is connected to fixed terminal, and I begin to this. So I'll connect this way. Now this is to negative of voltmeter. This is my voltmeter. So negative is connected to negative voltmeter, and from negative voltmeter where it is connected, you see the circuit. Negative voltmeter, it is connected to fixed terminal of rheostat. मतलब यहाँ से मैं दो वायर लूँगा, right? I'll take two wire. Only metal part you have to place. Now this is, so negative voltmeter is now connected to this terminal. You see here it is negative voltmeter is connected to fixed terminal of a rheostat. Where it is we have negative battery. This already we connected, so we have to connect here now. You see, इसको यहाँ से निकालेंगे. We'll join these two wires together and we'll place like this. Fit the screw. So this complete my circuit diagram. If you see the circuit diagram properly again, battery, then rheostat, millimeter, voltmeter and PN junction diode. This is simple circuit diagram, right? Now we'll go for readings. In readings, list count of voltmeter, list count of millimeter, which we did already, we wrote here. Now procedure for forward bias characteristics and This is our observation table for forward bias characteristics. Here we will write the voltage and corresponding current. Strength of voltage and current will adjust with the help of what we called as a rheostat. Now students, we will take a readings. I wrote readings already. We will see how we are getting these readings. Now to adjust the strength, first switch on the battery. Battery हमने चालू किया. Then we will see the current and voltage, right? So we'll adjust the voltage. You can take any value, but I'll take from 0.1 volt. Say adjust it with the help of rheostat. We'll adjust on 0.1. When voltage is 0.1, you see second division is 0.1 because first is 0.05, 0.1. My current is 0. So on 0.1, my current is 0. So I wrote here when voltage is 0.1, current is 0. Now I'll check 0.2. For 0.2, again we'll adjust with the help of rheostat. इसको आगे करना है और 0.2 पे लाना है. You see here it is. Fine. This is 0.2. That means fourth line. On 0.2, if you see the current, again it is 0. Now I'll check 0.3. 0.3, that means sixth wala line. This is 0.3. My current is again 0. Now I'll go with 0.4. 0.4. Okay, we are adjusting with the help of rheostat. इसको आगे आगे करने का और वो पॉइंटर को एडजस्ट करने का. So on 0.4, how much we have it is 0. Now I'll go with 0.5 volt. Pointer को 0.5 पे लाते हैं with the help of rheostat. I'll adjust this. 0.5. Again we have 0. So this readings already I wrote 0.10, 0.20, 0.30, 0.4 पे भी 0, 0.50. Now 0.55 we'll see. 0.55 will adjust with the help of rheostat. Just one division here again. 0.55. Again we have 0. Now 0.6. एक डिवीजन और आगे. 0.6. If you see on 0.6, now pointer start moving. Will adjust exactly on 0.6. Okay, 0.6. This is you can take as a 2 और 3 के बीच में, बट नज़दीक 2 के आसपास है. So we'll take current is 2 milliampere. Current is 2 milliampere and this is my 0.6. So 2 milliampere and 0.6. Current is 2 milliampere and voltage is 0.6. Now this will take after 2 milliampere when current start flowing. 2 के बाद will take 6, 10, 14, 4 का गैप रखेंगे. 2, 6, 10, 14, 18, 22, 26 and 30. And we will see the corresponding voltage. So I'll adjust current 6 with the help of rheostat. We'll adjust the current on 6. 6 मतलब एक डिवीजन 2 का है तो थर्ड लाइन पे लाना पड़ेगा. So I'm adjusting the rheostat. You see here it is. And I'll bring this is on third division. 6. Third division, that is 6 milliampere. What is the value on 6 milliampere? If you see here it is 6 milliampere में थर्ड लाइन पे आ गया ये. So this is my 0.5. आगे का 2 लाइन 0.6 और उसके आगे जो ये this is 0.65. Okay, 0.5, 0.6, 0.6 पर आगे का 0.7 है. So 0.65. So when we have it is 6 milliampere, this is my 0.65. So 6 milliampere, 0.65. I'll check for 10, 14, 18. Now I'll go with 0.6 के बाद हम जाएंगे 10 पे. So 2 डिवीजन और आगे. This is my 10th. We are adjusting the pointer with the help of rheostat. इससे एडजस्ट करना है अपने को. Okay students. So when it is 10, what is value of this? still it is 0.65, right? On 14 I'll check, means basically we have to just change the value of current and note down now voltage. This is 12, दो लाइन, एक लाइन 2 मिली एम्पेयर का है तो 14 मतलब मुझे 2 लाइन आगे जाना पड़ेगा. ओके, दिस इज 14. ऑन 14 हाउ मच वी हैव, अगेन सेम स्लाइड आगे गया है बट उसके आसपास ही है, सो अगेन इट इज़ 0.65. सो 10 पे भी 0.65 था अपना, 14 पे भी 0.65 है. नाउ 18, 22, 26, 30 I wrote all reading here. Now for 18 I'll take this on 18, राइट. 20 के पहले एक डिवीजन, वो 18 हो गया अपना. यहाँ पे कितना है देखना, 0.7. इफ़ यू सी केयरफुली अभी 0.7 पे आ गया है. आफ्टर 18 नाउ 22, दिस इज 22. इफ़ यू सी अगेन इट इज़ 0.7. नाउ इफ आई गो विथ 26 and this is still on 0.7. और फाइनली सपोज इफ आई गो विथ 30 मीन्स ये वाला बड़ा रीडिंग आएगा. स्टिल इट इज 0.75. सो ऑलरेडी वी रोट रीडिंग्स. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, सो on 22, 18, 22, 26, 30 we are getting 0.7. Simply so adjust the rheostat, get the value of current and the voltage, note down current and voltage. Now graph part. Graph, you are plotting current versus voltage. On x axis voltage, on y axis we have current. Our readings, voltage and the current. If you see the reading for current, we have 2 and maximum 30. So we are selecting scale as per our reading. On y-axis 1 centimeter we took 2, then 4, 6, 8 and so on. That means scale for y-axis, 1 centimeter is equals to 2 milliampere, and for if you see voltage we are 0.1 and maximum 0.7. So on x axis we took 1 centimeter is equal to 0.05, that means 2 centimeter is 0.1, 0.2, 0.3, 0.4, 0.5, 0.6, 0.7 and 0.8. That means 1 centimeter is equal to 0.05. So we have scale x axis 1 centimeter is 0.05 volt. So we selected the scale. Already I did the graph. Now if you see voltage 0.1, current is 0. For 0.2, 0. So if you see here it is 0.1, current is 0. Voltage 0.2, again current is 0. For voltage 0.3, current is 0. 0.4 voltage, current again 0. For 0.5 also we have current 0. So up to 0.5 current is 0. Then 0.55 also 0. So 0.5 here, 0.6 is here. So 0.55 again current is 0. Now on 0.6 current value is 2, right? Next if you see 6 पे कितना है 0.65. So on 6, here it is 6 and this is 0.65. Okay students, next value if you see on 10 also 0.65, 14 also 0.65. So if you see here it is 10 0.65, 14 also 0.65. After 18, 22, 26, 30 we have 0.7. So if you see here it is now 18 0.7, 26 0.7, 30 also 0.7. So as per the reading just mark the points and encircle it. Now draw the smooth freehand curve. This is balanced curve. Now point where the current just starts flowing. So at this point current just start flowing. From here draw a straight line to the x-axis. This voltage we called as a knee voltage. So in result we have the forward characteristics diode were studied, only forward characteristics, students. So in result the forward characteristics of diode were studied, and second is knee voltage is equal to 0.6 volt.